Meaning of fitful.
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 Fitful. Fitful means irregular, sporadic, or intermittent in nature. It refers to something that occurs in bursts or quickly stops and starts. For example, a person might have fitful sleep if they wake up frequently throughout the night. A fitful wind might blow strongly for a moment before dying down again. Generally, fitful implies a lack of consistency or regularity. This can make it difficult to rely on or predict the outcome of something fitful, as it may change unexpectedly or without warning.